In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix OBS Studio lag and stuttering. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. The first thing you want to do is when you close OBS completely, then go over to your OBS Studio shortcut on your desktop. Right click it and then go to show more options. And then all you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and press properties. And then once you're here, go over to compatibility. And then all you want to do is run this program as an administrator, have that checked, click apply, and then click OK, so that anytime you open it, it's always going to be run as administrator. This is because Windows allocates 99% of your GPU resources to your game. So running OBS as an admin forces the operating system to reserve a tiny bit of graphics headroom so that the encoder never lags. Now, what you could also do is open your Windows settings. So I'm going to press Windows key and I, and then go over and find the gaming tab and then find game mode and switch it on. This native Windows feature works alongside your administrator settings to perfectly balance GPU thread distribution between your game and background capture software. And yeah, it's as simple as that.